In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn passive income in cryptocurrency using Binance Earn. Before we dive into the steps, let's set the scene. Cryptocurrency has emerged as a major player in the financial world, offering numerous ways to generate passive streams of income. Among the many platforms available, Binance provides some of the most user-friendly and flexible options for those looking to expand their crypto portfolio effortlessly. With Binance Earn, you can put your digital assets to work with just a few simple taps. First up, you're going to need to open the Binance app. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so with your credentials. If you're new to Binance, you'll need to create an account and complete any necessary verification steps. Having your account all set up ensures a smooth journey through the Binance Earn platform. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home screen. Here, you'll want to look for the option labeled Simple Earn. It should be prominently displayed, but if you can't find it immediately, just click on More and scroll until you spot it. Selecting Simple Earn will take you to the heart of Binance's passive income offerings. In this section, you will be introduced to an array of products designed to suit different investment needs and income goals. Let's take a moment to explore what's available. You'll see options like flexible and locked savings. Flexible savings allow you to enjoy income without being tied down for the long term, while locked savings typically offer higher rates because they require a commitment for a specified period. There's also an option to auto-subscribe, allowing your earnings to be reinvested automatically. And don't forget about staking, where you can earn rewards by participating in network operations. After browsing, you'll need to choose the product that aligns with your financial strategy. Tap on the product that captures your interest. Now this is where things get actionable. Consider how much of your crypto assets you want to invest. It's crucial to evaluate your overall risk tolerance and investment strategy. Enter the amount and get ready to move forward. As with any financial service, there are terms and conditions that apply. Take a moment to read through them, ensuring you understand any potential risks or fees involved. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and agree to the terms. Then, tap that confirm button. It's as easy as that. You've just started your journey to earning passive income in the crypto space. There you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've set the wheels in motion to grow your digital wealth passively with Binance Earn. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more of Binance's offerings to optimize your investment strategy.